Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to the second video of Target Term 1 MCQs, and today we'll be doing the MCQs of the fundamental unit of life. Who discovered cells for the very first time? Virchow, Robert Brown, Robert Hooke, or none of these? The right answer is Robert Hooke discovered cells for the very first time. Second question. Living cells were first discovered by Anthony van Leeuwenhoek, Robert Brown, Virchow, none of these. Guys, here they are asking living cells. Living cells were discovered by Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. Dash is the Latin word for a little room. Cellula, cell, cella, cellar. Dash is the Latin word for a little room. Guys, cell is the Latin word for a little room. Cell is the Latin word for a little room. Moving on to the next. Colored plastids are known as, what are the colored plastids known as? Chromoplast, chloroplast, leucoplast, or protoplast. The right answer is, colored plastids are called leucoplasts. They are called leucoplasts. Which of the following can be made into crystal? Which of the following can be made into crystal? A virus can be made into crystal. Dash is called the energy currency of the cell. Guys, this MCQ is very important for examination point of view. Endoplasmic reticulum, oxygen, mitochondria, or ATP. Answer is yes. ATP is known as the energy currency of a cell. Nuclear region of prokaryotes is also known as nucleus, nucleolus, nucleic acid, or nucleoid. The right answer is nucleoid. Undefined as kitchen of the cell. This is also very important. Mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, or chloroplast. The answer is chloroplast. Cell theory was given by Virchow, Haeckel, Scladen and Schwann, or Haeckel. The right answer is Scladen. And the process. Guys, read this question carefully. The process by which water moves to a semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane from a region of high concentration to the region of lower concentration, thereby equalizing water concentration, is called. This is the process of osmosis. This is 11th one. There is some numbering issue. The powerhouse of the cell is. The powerhouse of the cell is, yes, mitochondria is the powerhouse of a cell. Guys, you have to identify which cell is this shown in this picture. Yes, it's the nerve cell. It's the longest cell. Alright. Next one. Process shown in the adjoining figure is of meiosis, mitosis, both of them none. Guys, you have to name this process. It is given in the last page of the chapter before exercises. Yes, this process is of mitosis. Blank are storage sacks for solid or liquid contents. Blank are the storage sacks for solid or liquid contents. Yes, vacuoles are storage sacks for liquid or solid contents. A cell will swell up if the concentration of the water molecules in the cell is higher than the concentration of water molecules in the surrounding medium. The concentration of water molecules in the surrounding medium is higher than the water molecules concentration in the cell. The concentration of water molecules is same in the cell and in the surrounding medium. Option number D. Concentration of water molecules does not matter. The right answer is option number B. The concentration of the water molecules in the surrounding medium is higher than the water molecules concentration in the cell. Right answer is option number B. Proteins and lipids essential for building the cell membrane are manufactured by rough endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, or smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The right answer is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Amoeba acquires its food by a process. Name that process. Guys, that process is exocytosis, endocytosis, plasmolysis. Both B and C options are right. Endocytosis is a process by which amoeba acquires its food. This is also a very important MCQ from this chapter. Organelle other than nucleus containing DNA is endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, or lysosomes. The right answer is mitochondria. Guys, this question can also come in the form that nucleus contains DNA. True, false. In MCQ, true, false also can come. So the right answer will be true. Movement of water molecules through a selectively permeable membrane is called osmosis, diffusion, both of these, none of these. The movement of water molecules through a selectively permeable membrane is osmosis. Done it previously also, this type of question. Now moving on to assertion and reasoning question. In this assertion and reasoning MCQs, we'll be having 4 options. These are the 4 options which we'll be having. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of assertion. B option will be both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of the assertion. A is true, R is false statement. A is true, A is false, but R is the. Alright, so let's get started. Here is first assertion and reason. Assertion. A cell swells up when present in hypotonic solution. More water molecules and 10 seconds to think for this answer. Alright guys, time's up, and the right answer to this one is option A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of the assertion. Here is the next one. A plant cells bursts if placed in water. Reason: high turgor pressure causes bristling of plant cells. Is it option A, B, C, or D? The right answer for this one is A is false, but R is true. So A option is false and R is true. The option will be D option. Assertion: plasma membrane is a selectively permeable membrane. Plasma membrane is a selectively permeable membrane. Plasma membranes allow some molecules to pass through it more easily than others. Yes guys, plasma membrane is a selectively permeable membrane. This true statement. Yes, it allows some molecules to pass through it more easily than others. Both the statements are true, and R is the correct explanation of the assertion. A option will be the right one. Leucoplasts perform photosynthesis. Reason: chloroplasts store fat, starch, and proteins. Yes guys, reason is true. Chloroplast stores fats, proteins, and starch. This is true. But leucoplast does not perform photosynthesis. So A is false, R is true. It means the right answer will be option number D. Now let's do one case study. In some organisms like bacteria, the nuclear region of the cell may be poorly defined due to the absence of the nuclear membrane. Such an undefined nuclear region containing only nucleic acids is called a nucleoid. Such organisms whose cells lack a nuclear membrane are called prokaryotes. Pro is equals to primitive or primary. Karyot means karyon or nucleus. Organisms with cell having a nuclear membrane are called eukaryotes. By the way guys, I have made this case study and I have taken this from NCERT book only. You can find the same paragraph in NCERT also. Here's the first one. What is the undefined nuclear region containing only nucleic acids called? Nucleus, nucleoid, both of these, none of these. Guys, this question is from the first and second line. The nuclear region of a cell may be poorly defined due to the absence of nuclear membrane. Such an undefined nuclear region containing only nucleic acids is called nucleoid. Containing only nucleic acids is called nucleoid. So the right option will be option number B. Organisms whose cells lack nuclear membrane are called organisms whose cells lack nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane are called prokaryotes. Organisms with cells having nuclear membrane are called eukaryotes. This has also been given in the passage. Alright guys, with this we come to the end of this video, and PDF of this video will be available in my Telegram channel by the end of the day, and my Telegram channel link is tinyurl.com/profencialchat, and yeah, I'll be giving you the PDF of this video there, and you can download that PDF and revise these MCQs whenever you want, wherever you want. Don't forget to like this video if you got benefited by this, and share it with your friends so that they can also get benefit from this MCQs. And soon I'll be bringing the MCQ series for maths as promised in the trailer. And that's all for today. You were watching Profencial Paramvir. Thank you so much for giving me your time. Bye bye. Take care. Sayonara.